Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda, and today I'm joined by my friends Marine Harvest by Moe. We are celebrating Earth Week by making a lemon pesto tilapia. We are going to be using Marine Harvest by Moe's delicious, amazing tilapia. You can see I have a package of it here. I really like using their tilapia. It's a light, flaky fish. It's not too overpowering, it's not too salty, and it can be baked really nicely in our oven, which is what we're going to do today. But I also like that this is a great fish that can be pan-seared, and so you can get that nice crispy skin on the outside as well. But today we're going to be making a bright and fresh, beautiful lemon pesto to celebrate Earth Week, and it's going to go really nicely with our fish. Take one fresh lemon and you're going to slice it really thinly and set your lemon slices aside. To the second lemon, zest the whole thing, then carefully juice both halves of your lemon and set the juice aside as well. Add 1 cup of fresh basil leaves, half a cup of fresh parsley, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of fresh pine nuts, and 1 whole garlic clove to a food processor. Pulse a few times until chopped. Add your lemon zest and 2 tablespoons of your lemon juice to the food processor and pulse again. You'll slowly drizzle in 1/3 cup of olive oil, sprinkle with some salt and pepper, and again pulse until well combined. Remove 2 tilapia fillets from their package and place them on a cutting board. Cut each fillet in half, then season each side generously with salt and pepper. Place your tilapia fillets into a lightly greased baking dish. Next, you're going to spoon your pesto over each of your tilapia fillet pieces. Once you've generously spooned your pesto, you're going to evenly spread it across each of your fish pieces. Then top each piece with some lemon slices. Next, add 2 pints of cherry tomatoes to a large bowl. Drizzle with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, sprinkle with some salt and pepper, and mix really well until fully combined. Then you'll take your tomatoes and you'll nestle them inside of the baking dish all around your fish fillets. Then this is ready for baking. You'll bake your fish in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the fish is cooked all the way through and your tomatoes are soft and blistered. With bright spring flavors, I love serving this dish with some orzo pasta, of course a beautiful piece of my fish on top, some freshly roasted asparagus, as well as my soft blistered tomatoes. Drizzle the pan juices over your tilapia for a nice finishing touch. And with that, our lemon pesto tilapia is ready to be served. Marine Harvest tilapia fillets worked so well in this recipe. They weren't too overpowering for the dish. The lemon pesto sauce that we made was so herby and so bright and really complemented the fish. I like that the lemon slices on top baked beautifully. They weren't too tart because we sliced them thin. And then the acidity from the tomatoes blended really nicely with the olive oil and then baked all together. This dish and the fish just was beautiful. As you saw, I served mine with some orzo and of course some asparagus. It is spring and we could not have done this amazing dish without my friends Marine Harvest by Moe. Give Marine Harvest website a visit to see where you can find this tilapia and check out this recipe yourself. Until next time, I hope you have a very happy bake day.